Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing Windows so Linux runs natively under WSL2. Reboot into firmware and enable virtualization. Once done, open PowerShell as admin and enable the two features. You run DISM, exe/online/enable feature/featurename, Microsoft Windows Subsystem Linux/all and virtual machine platform, then reboot. After restart, set WSL2 as default with WSL set default version 2, so any distro you install uses the faster, full Linux kernel for better. You next install a distribution and get it ready for daily use. Use the store or run WSL install d Ubuntu. Once the distro launches, create your user and password. Update the system with apt or the distro package manager. Make sure to upgrade kernel modules if prompted. Configure SSH keys for secure access, mount Windows drives via /mnt, and set up symlinks where helpful. Once configured, install your dev tools and enable Windows terminal profiles so you switch seamlessly between shells. You finish by integrating Linux into your Windows workflow and ensuring resilience. Install WSLG if available to run GUI apps, otherwise configure an X server or use remote forwarding. Set up .dot files, backup key configs, and use WSL export to snapshot a distro for easy restore. Make sure Windows terminal and file associations are tuned so files open where you expect. If you hit networking or mount errors, try WSL shutdown or restart the LXSS manager service. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.